How to bridge to Dogechain. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to bridge to Dogechain step by step. But before you can bridge to Dogechain, you need to add this chain to the MetaMask wallet. The easiest way to do this is to go to the chainlist.org and connect your wallet here. And in the search networks, type Doge, and it will find Dogechain mainnet. Click on Add to MetaMask. Here you will see all the details. Scroll down and click on Prove. Now it asks me to switch to this network. I will switch. Let's check here in the MetaMask. It will show you some information about Dogechain. The native token of this network is Doge. It is the token used for gas fees. And you can read other stuff here and click on Got it. As you can see, I switched to the Dogechain mainnet and I don't have any tokens here. So now we can go to the next step, and here we will buy some Dogecoins. For example, I will buy Dogecoin on Binance. You can do it on any other crypto exchange where you can find Dogecoin, or if you already have it on your wallet, you can skip this step. But for those of you who don't have any Dogecoin, let's buy some Dogecoin on Binance. The easiest way to do this is if you go to Trade and Binance Convert. Here you need to choose what coin you want to convert to Dogecoin, and in the destination search for Dogecoin and select it. Now very important information. The minimum amount to bridge is 100 Doge. Plus add some Dogecoin to pay the withdrawal fees from Binance in our case. So I will convert 110 Dogecoin. Let's click on Preview Conversion. It will cost me 9.10 USDT. Click on Convert. Convert was successful. Click OK. So now we have some Dogecoin in our Binance account. In our case, let's go back to the bridge available at bridge.dogechain.dog. Now I connect wallet. I already have Dogechain in my MetaMask, so I click on MetaMask. Choose account that I want to connect. I have two, so I can select. If you have only one, you will not see this option. Click on Next and connect. Now you will see the signature request. Click on Sign. Now click on Confirm, and that's a very important address. You need to use this address to withdraw your Dogecoins. In my case, from Binance exchange. In your case, it can be any other exchange or maybe some wallet. So I will copy this address, and on the Binance withdrawal, I will use it to withdraw my Dogecoin. For security reason, I will not show the withdrawal process, but I hope you know how to do it correctly. So I withdraw my Dogecoin from Binance to this address, and now let's click on my account transaction status. And as you can see, I have 106 Doge on the Dogechain, and here is transaction to bridge assets. And if I click on the MetaMask, I can see my 106 Doge that are available inside Dogechain mainnet. I hope this video helped you to bridge Doge to Dogechain. As usual, like and subscribe, and see you soon.